Hashtag mikemerone. Subscribe down below. Hit that notification button. We are here at Central Station. The train's about to leave. As you hear the train whistle, we have Ellen Schmellen here. Ellen is on her way home with the cactus. And there's Ellen, and the cactus is in there. Okay, and I'm going to start running with the train. There we go. I'm going to see the train run. The train's going to be taking off soon. And here I go. And here we go with the train. There we go with the train. And there we go with the train. There we go. There we go with the train. There we go with the train. There we go. There's Helen. There goes Helen. There goes Helen. There goes Helen. There goes Helen. Chasing the train. Hashtag mikemerone, chasing trains here in MALMÖ. Subscribe, hit that notification button. I have some more crazy stuff for you. Security guards think I'm nice. Here's another Stockholm train leaving soon. That's Jay. All right, so hashtag mikemerone. Subscribe down below. Lainey, could you say subscribe down below? Lena, please support my channel. Subscribe down below. Could you say that, please? What? No, I don't got you. I don't got you. All right, hashtag mikemerone. Me and Lainey girl. Talk to you later.